Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. As always, we're going to show you how to check your hard drive health, smart, and temperature in Windows 10. However, it's pretty basic in typical Microsoft fashion. So once this video is done, I'm going to show you how to use Crystal Disk Info, which will blow your mind as far as details goes. But if you just want to kind of check your status temperature, you can now do it in Windows 10 October Update. Click on Start, Settings. Right at the top, you should find System. And scroll down and find Storage. Now, storage, as you know, also contains storage sends to delete files and other things. So Microsoft's just adding to it so you can do more things with your drives. And this is the start of Manage Disks and Volume. If you don't see it, you'll have to wait for the update. Or, as I mentioned, grab Crystal Disk Info and you'll love it. I'll put a link in the video below after I get both videos done. So it's going to show your drives. You can see, you kind of got to recognize your drive a little bit. As you can see, I named my drive backup, so I know it's D. That's my backup drive. And here is my primary drive, my SSD C drive. So you can click here, as you can see, and narrow down your drive. Let's click here so the word property shows up. Go ahead and click on properties. And again, just keep in mind, this is hopefully Microsoft, just the start of it. So you have your estimated life, available spare, and your drive temperature. Some you're going to see higher temperatures with an older traditional hard drive, and estimated remaining life. How accurate this is, I don't know. As most of you know, your drive will typically sit at 100%, 99%, and then one day you wake up and your drive's dead. So once again, I like Crystal Disk Info, but for those of you who are just looking for the quick basics, the brand new, which won't sound so cool in about 5 years, Managed Disk and Volumes can take care of that for you, just to give you the basics. But again, as you can see, they're starting to tie things together. So here's your advanced disk properties. And if your hard drive life is showing a lower number, you might want to click on Backup Now and figure out how you want to back up, whether it's file history, etc. Typically, most of us would just open File Explorer up and drag and drop our important files somewhere else. As always, good time to remind you, there's never a bad time. Back up your files. And there you have it. So again, we will right now run over and do a video on Crystal Disk Info so that you can have that information for those of you who want to get a little more geeky with it. You can actually see how long your drive's been running and all sorts of really cool info. It's a 5-star freeware portable app. I think you're going to like it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. As always, bottom right corner, Major Geeks logo. Click subscribe. Click like if we helped you out. And thanks for watching. As always, see ya.